Hello, my name is Lilian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. So, I am officially 4 months locked. I clocked 4 months about 6 days ago. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my 4 months lock updates. I'm going to be telling you guys how this last month has been, change that was out. You guys know the drill. I've done this 3 times already, so let's just jump right into the video. I feel like this is going to be the last lock update video that I'm going to do for now, just because I feel like I've gotten to that point in my lock journey where like nothing is happening. You know. So after this video, after this my 4 month lock update, the next update you guys will probably see from me will probably be when I clock 6 months or maybe a year. You know. So yeah, so far this past month has just been pretty chill. My last lock update video that I shared with you guys, I told you guys that it was pretty chill. Like this month was even more chill than last month. You know, nothing major happened with my hair. Basically my hair, I feel like my hair has remained the same. I cannot see any like drastic changes. My hair is not shrinking anymore. Although I'm seeing a lot of new growth at my roots. Like I have a lot of loose hair at my roots, new growth, but like it has not translated into more length for me. My hair still pretty much looks the same length. So nothing much has changed. As regards to how people see my hair, I feel like now I've gotten to the point where I'm used to having locks. I'm used to my hair. Like, okay, yeah, my hair, it's not like I'm tired of my hair or I do not love my hair anymore, but it's more like, yes, I have locks, I know, like let's go on with our lives. You know. So that's probably one of the reasons why I feel like there's really no point giving like updates anymore, because like nothing major is happening, like no major things happening. It's just my locks and I'm living my life. So I've gotten like really used to having locks. People around me have also gotten used to seeing me with locks. So like this last month I feel like was basically uneventful. Like, so just there. Nothing drastic happened. Regarding how I care for my hair, it did not change as much. Like it did not change much from how it was last month. Last month I told you guys that I no longer wash my hair as much. Like that also continued to this month. Like this past month I feel like I washed my hair with shampoo. You guys know that I use Dudu Oshun as my shampoo, so I washed my hair with Dudu Oshun like once. And I washed my hair with honey once. And this past month I did not use what's it called, I did not use aloe vera. I feel like my hair gets drier when I wash with obviously it's only logical, when I wash with shampoo than when I wash with honey. So that's probably one of the reasons why I did not wash my hair as much. However, I did a lot of like plain water washing, like basically just washing my hair with only water, allowed water under my hair, massage my scalp and things like that. I did that a lot this month. So it's not like I did not wash my hair, but I washed my hair with just water. I hardly washed my hair with any other thing this past month. Just because I feel like my hair, I prefer how my hair feels when I wash my hair with honey or with just water than when I wash my hair with black soap or like any shampoo for that matter. And the reason why I wash my hair with honey only once, not because I do not like using honey, but the reason why I wash my hair with honey only once was just that I ran out of honey and I just was too lazy to go to buy, you know. So that's why I wash my hair with honey only once. I actually need to wash my hair with honey very soon, because I feel like my hair is already slowly getting some kind of like lint / build up in my hair, and honey like gets rid of that like really well. Yeah, and I also want to mention I also washed my hair with apple cider vinegar once this past month. I washed my hair with apple. Did I show you guys? Okay, yeah, I think I made a video. I showed you guys. I'll leave the video up in the iCard. So I washed my hair with apple cider vinegar. In that video I did not tell you guys much about how it was, how my hair felt or anything like that. Washing my hair with apple cider vinegar felt nice. It almost felt as good as it normally feels when I wash my hair with just honey, but I feel like honey is still more honey still leaves my hair more juicy than apple cider vinegar. But apple cider vinegar does an amazing job. The only downside to it is the smell. It doesn't smell nice, unlike honey that doesn't really have that much of a smell, you know. So if I have to choose between the two, I'll pick I'll pick honey over apple cider vinegar. But I have a big bottle of apple cider vinegar in my house, and I don't think I'm going to run out of that anytime soon. So most likely, if I do not go to restock on honey, I'll probably be using the apple cider vinegar instead of honey. But yeah, both of them like do really a very good job when it comes to getting rid of build up. I still use shea butter. Shea butter has always been constant for me, even when I was a loose natural. Like, I cannot do without shea butter. And I know some people complain that if you have locks, you should not use shea butter because shea butter will cause build up and things like that. And so far, I have not had any issues with like build up, and I use shea butter in my hair. Shea butter is like the only thing I use when it comes to oils or stylers or whatever. Shea butter is all I use. However, I do not use as much shea butter as I used to use when I was in loose natural. So I've greatly reduced the quantity of shea butter I apply in my hair. But I always make sure to use shea butter because shea butter keeps my hair like juicy and like soft. Sometimes I use shea butter by wetting my hair first and I apply shea butter. Sometimes I just apply shea butter on dry hair. I notice that when I do that, if at any time around the life of the hair, if the butter comes in contact with it, it kind of just blends well and makes my hair like soft and juicy. So I love using shea butter, and I do not see myself ditching shea butter anytime soon. Another thing I did this past month was that I sprayed my hair literally every day. I sprayed my hair with like a spray bottle around my hair literally every day. Spraying my hair helps me to shape my hair. So like when I wake up, I've said this before, when I wake up most times my hair is not usually like arranged. You know, it's almost like this shape because I do not sleep with a bonnet or scarf. I sleep on a certain pillowcase, so it's almost like this shape, but it's usually like more scattered than this. So when I wake up, when I want to go out, I just take my spray bottle and lightly spritz my hair just to make it easier for it make it easier for me to be able to mold it into whatever shape I want, so that it just hangs nicely, you know. So I literally spray water in my hair almost every day. Now, I almost did not make this video, to be honest, because I felt like there was nothing to, like, for a while now I've been feeling like I don't have anything to make, like I don't have any content. Like I've been having that kind of creative block, I would say, you know. So I almost don't want to make this video because I felt like you guys are not interested in lock update videos anyway, and I've just not been motivated to make videos. But now that I'm making a video, like I almost forgot how much I enjoy doing this, you know, how much I enjoy creating content and talking to the camera and like just doing things that I do, you know. So now that I'm talking about it, like I actually thought that I'm going to be like, my mood is going to be like really low and I'm not going to have much to say and things like that in this video. But now that I'm talking, like I'm out to just moving on. And if I do not caution myself, I'm going to keep talking and talking and talking for God knows how long. So I had the intention of making this video short and sweet, so that's what I'm going to do. So so yeah, I'm just going to end it there. The big question, do I still love my hair? Definitely. I still love my locks. I still love my hair. I do not regret getting locks. Like I do not long to have loose natural hair. Like going back natural is not even like on my mind. Because let me tell you, having locks is so convenient and it's just so easy, you know. So when you try locks, most times you really don't, especially except you had locks for a while and then because you've had it for a very long time, you tend to maybe you miss the look of loose natural hair. But most times when people taste having locks, like there's just something about that convenience. Even if you go back to your loose natural hair, there's a high chance that you're going to come back to having locks, because having locks is just so easy and it's so liberating, to be honest. So going back to my loose natural hair is not like, it's not anywhere on my list right now. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like after being locked for 4 months. Like oh, it looks so cute. Every time I look at my hair, like it's my locks are maturing really nicely, like really really nicely. fact that I try to like separate my locks so that they don't merge, probably once a month or maybe once every 3 weeks. But like I don't like go on to retwist my hair. So even though my locks look like it's just like one big ball of locks, right, they're actually separated down to the roots, you know. So because of the method I use, you guys, like, I can literally, if I dig in, I can literally find my scalp, you know. From the beginning of my lock journey, I told you guys my vision, and as my locks are maturing, and the method I use to maintain my locks, you guys can see that like I meant what I said about what I wanted, and everything I do just revolves around that vision that I have, and that's why I choose to retwist this way. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, like, and I'm not in any way saying that this is superior to any other method of maintaining their look, but this is just what I personally like to do. I like the big look of like I can't see your scalp, but I really don't want to go the freeform route because I don't want my locks to merge. I noticed that with freeform locks, like when it's at the beginning stage like this, it's like really, I like how it looks because you can't find scalp and like everything's just plenty, right? But after a while, when the locks start to merge, the look changes. It becomes like more, you have so many locks combining into one, and if you have too much of that, then the locks become few, and then when they become few, it kind of like reduces the volume in numbers. I don't know if that makes sense. And that's why, even though I like the freeform looks, I try as much as I can to keep my locks separated, and that's why I do what I do. So yeah, with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my channel and you like to see more videos from me, then definitely subscribe and make sure that you click the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you get a notification. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.